Let's go. Wait. I gotta start the song over.
Twin bitches.
The fuck?
Twin bitches hopping off a jet ski.
I'll take up.
Twin bitches.
Whether you are aware of it or not, sound is the thing that makes a video feel immersive. That makes you feel like you're on the ship in the middle of the space, docking onto a spinning ship, or fighting aliens, but instead of you fearing them, they fear you. But what would happen if you turn off the sound? Or you play a bad song at the worst time possible? It completely destroys the moment. That's because sound design is way more important than you think. And you have to master it, because when you learn to do it right...
Ooh, that's a bingo!
And you won't need any extra hours to apply any of these strategies, and you can use them in any type of video. And I will show you the entire process by sound designing this sequence. First, we have to think about everything we would hear if we were inside this animation. These are called diegetic sounds, and in movies you hear them all the time.
Stay down!
Without them, you wouldn't feel immersed and invested into the story, because it would just feel fake. So how do we actually find these sounds to add into our scenes? What I personally do is I have this right here inside Premiere Pro, and I just have to double click the sound effects, which are designed to give you that feeling of depth and professionalism without you needing to stack sound effects or any other bullshit, because I made them and I already did all that. And I can also import animation and a lot of other things, but I will tell you about this later. But now let me show you how I do this in practice. I'm gonna start by adding some whoosh for the cursor and some UI clicks for the button. Now I'm gonna add more whooshes, whoosh, a whoosh, a whoosh, a whoosh, and you guessed it, another whoosh. Let's add some button sounds for the text, duplicate them, add a different button sound, duplicate them again. Pretty good, but we can do more. Let's make this armor thing sound better. Add this energy because it sounds cool. Whatever this sound is, sci-fi sound, this loading UI, some glitching to make it sound more crisp. Now let's move to this glass breaking effect. Let's search it up and drag it onto the timeline. Now we'll just duplicate it for every, and we are already done. So you can see how fast and fun it is to get videos done if you have this tool. It also has all of these insanely clean text animations, transitions, custom overlays and background. And I can super easily access any of them through this menu. So if I wanted to add two transitions at the start and at the end of this animation, I could do that very easily. Or let's say I wanted to do like a custom animation here, saying like sound design is cool. Let's add this animation, and now you see it's already on our timeline. And if we want to customize it, we can do it with these simple sliders. Let's make the element blue, change the text and make it look a bit different. And if I play the video, it's already customized and ready to export. And if you click the link in the description, you'll find a more in-depth video of behind the scenes of me editing a video with this exact tool, and there are a ton of more details down below. Now let's pay attention to this scene and exactly what makes it feel so dark and heavy.
Shit! Mike!
Now there's a problem.
I'm sorry, I'm just fucking this up, guys. I'm fucking this up. Stop, please. I can't do this. Guys, I can't do this! Stop!
You know we're gonna call it.
This is thanks to non-diegetic sound, but this is just a fancy way of saying sounds that the character doesn't hear but reflect exactly what he's feeling. In this example, there are sound effects that are increasing in intensity, stuff like drones, risers, impacts and voices. So let's see how adding these things will impact our scene. Let's add an impact when the armor closes, duplicate that shit, search for a riser. This is perfect. Now let's make it sound more. Add some impacts for the breaking glass and a light bulb effect. Make it glitch. Wait, this was supposed to be underwater. Let's add an underwater drone. Add an impact for the reveal and one more because why not? Yeah, now I'm starting to feel excited about how this is turning out. And we are reaching the point where we can finally add... I just love music because it can completely change any scene.
Oh, double dribble. What? Oh well. This is in the game like double dribbling. He shoots, scores. Oh, double dribble. What? Oh well. This is in the game like double dribbling. He shoots, scores.
You can see the feeling between these two scenes are completely different, and it's just thanks to music. And because you kept asking me about how I find my music, here's my entire process. The trick is to surround yourself with good music, or music that you would just use in your own videos. For example, I like adding synthwave songs combined with some viral rap instrumentals because those are the songs that I enjoy listening to. And it also makes sense because they are viral songs, so when you guys hear them, you probably recognize the song and just enjoy the video more because of that. But I really recommend that you add music that you personally like. You probably have a unique taste that nobody has, so that will really make your videos feel unique. So let's look at our scene. In this case, we have a change of tone between these two parts of the video, so I'll probably need two different songs. And after looking through my personal playlist, I really like these two songs, and I'm gonna use them. So I'm just gonna slap them onto the timeline and make sure the timing is good. And add this stuttering effect at the end of the first song. Now let's mix them. Let's nest the first song. Add the low pass effect so it sounds muffled since it's playing underwater, and also let's add a reverb. Now when this loading bar charges, let's remove the muffling effect. This is the final scene, and it's crazy how we've been able to turn this into this in just a few minutes. So if you want to speed up your editing workflow and get the plugin that I've been using this entire video, if you click the first link in the description, it will take you to the behind the scenes video I talked about. You'll see how the plugin that I've been using this entire video works. And when you get it, you will get access to over 360 assets you can choose from, including overlays, backgrounds, transitions, text animations, and of course sound effects, and you will be able to customize anything with these simple sliders. I hope this video helped you, and if you want to check out this more in depth tutorial like here, I have this posted on my second channel. I think you will like it. Go check it out.
Is that the way you say it? That's a bingo.
You just say bingo. Bingo! How fun!